Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word phase. Phase, Faze, Faze. Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The negative comments didn't faze her at all. She remained confident in herself. Faze means to disturb or unsettle someone, causing them to feel anxious or intimidated. In this context, the negative comments didn't bother or deter her. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.